Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to set alerts on any LuxAlgo feature on TradingView. Naturally, I can't go over every single permutation, however in this video I'll briefly go through the alert system so you'll understand how to set any alert of your choice. So you'll find the alert menu on the right of your screen by clicking this alarm clock. First, we see the condition drop down. Here you will have two main options, either the price of the asset you're looking at or LuxAlgo indicators. So let's take a look first at using the price of the asset as the condition. So let's say we wanted an alert when the SPX crosses, let's say 4,000. We select crossing in the second box and we enter 4,000 in this field here, like so. Let's say we wanted an alert when the SPX crosses down over 4,000, because this alert will alert whenever the price crosses over the 4,000 line. So let's say we just want an alert when the price crosses down below 4,000. So only crossing down, then we select crossing down. So there's a whole bunch of options you can select using this box. For example, here I selected entering a channel, and you can select your upper bound and your lower bound for that channel. So here I've selected the upper bound and I've entered a lower bound, and you can see it's drawn the channel on my chart. So when the price of the SPX enters this channel, we'll receive an alert. And there's a whole bunch of options you can play about with here. But the great thing is, let's say we just select crossing here. We can drop down this box and we can select LuxAlgo Premium, and we can select plots within LuxAlgo. So let's say we want an alert when the price crosses the trend tracer. We can select trend tracer here, and we'll select once per bar close. So this will give an alert when the price of the SPX crosses the LuxAlgo trend tracer. So one of the most common alerts that people seem to want to have is an alert when the price enters reversal zones. So for the reversal zones, we have four plots. We have RZ1, which will be the most inner lines or plots of the reversal zones. Reversal zone 2, reversal zone 3, reversal zone 4. And if it's a support, which is the green area, it will be RZS1 and RZS2, RZS3, RZS4. And then we have a fill between those lines. So you can actually find this out by going to the style settings. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can toggle the plots for the reversal zones to find out which is which. So RZ S1 and S2, if we turn that off, you'll see that's the innermost plot. And this is the innermost plot for the resistance areas. So if we want to set an alert for when the price enters a reversal zone, we go to alerts, we make a new alert. We want when the price of the SPX is crossing. We can have crossing down. Let's say we want an alert when the price enters the lower reversal zone. So we have crossing down because we want an alert when the price crosses down into it. We select LuxAlgo and we go and find the plot for the green reversal zone. So we want RZS1, and then we want once per bar close as usual. And here's one more example of a random alert a user may want to set. Let's say we want an alert when the price crosses up over cloud 1. So what I've done in the style settings briefly is I've opened the style settings, I've scrolled down, and I've changed cloud 1, which is this plot of the cloud, to bright red, just to make it clearer. And if we want to set an alert for when the price crosses up through that line, we go to add alert, SPX crossing up, we go to LuxAlgo Premium, and we scroll down until we find cloud 1, and we have once per bar close, and then we'll have an alert configured for that event. One of the other most common alerts that people want to set are crosses for the legacy oscillator, so when it crosses between colors. So to do this, we load up the legacy oscillator, we go add alerts. Now, we don't want anything to do with the price because this is only relative to the oscillator. So we select here the Lux oscillator, and we want a cross between the oscillator and itself basically. So we go to crossing. And when we select crossing, we see there's two options that have been added. We have classic and value. So here we want to change this. So Lux oscillator, and we want to find legacy cycle. because that's one of the plots for the legacy. We select crossing, of course, and then here we select Lux Oscillator, and we go and we select legacy trigger and once per bar close. And this will give an alert when the two plots for the legacy oscillator cross over. Or here's another example that I've just set up. So let's say we want an alert whenever the Lux Oscillator advanced mode main plot, so this main histogram, crosses over the midline, which is 50. Well, we do that like so. We have our Lux Oscillator, we select the plot, which is advanced main, crossing, and then here we select value 50. So basically this allows you to manipulate the alerts to create any alert you want to do.